A software developer is creating an e-commerce platform that relies on a series of independent AWS Lambda functions to handle various stages of a customer order, such as payment validation and stock updates. The system requires these functions to execute in a strict, predefined sequence. Which approach is the most efficient and requires the least amount of operational management to implement this workflow? Option A. Use an Amazon SQS queue to store sequence tasks and have each function poll for its turn.
Option B. Utilize an Amazon SNS topic to push messages to functions using subscription filter policies to trigger them in the required order. Option C. Implement an AWS step function state machine to define the execution order and manage the workflow transitions. Option D. Set up Amazon EventBridge Scheduler to trigger the specific Lambda functions at intervals to match the required order. This question tests your understanding of serverless orchestration and how to coordinate sequential tasks in the cloud.
In my view, the correct answer is option C. AWS Step Functions is a serverless orchestration service specifically designed to coordinate multiple AWS services, including Lambda functions, into workflows. By using a state machine, the developer can define a specific sequence, manage retries, and handle state transitions without writing complex custom logic. This approach minimizes operational overhead because the service handles the workflow execution automatically.
As for the other options, A would require manual polling and custom state management, which increases operational burden. Option B is primarily for message broadcasting and is not suited for maintaining strict sequential order. Finally, option D is intended for time-based scheduling rather than reactive workflow logic. For your exam, remember that whenever you need to orchestrate distributed components into a sequence, step functions is the standard serverless choice.